Using Java, it is important to understand the concepts of object-oriented programming, or OOPS. To understand the concept of an object, let us consider the example of building a conference hall for a school. To build the conference hall, we start by building a room with defined boundaries and features such as the dimensions and the colors of the walls. Next, we put together other components such as chairs, tables, telephones, projection screen, and books in the hall. These components, such as room, chairs, and tables, which we use to build the conference hall, are the objects of a real-life scenario and are similar to the objects in the object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming is a programming environment where an application system is considered as a collection of objects. The objects interact with each other to complete a task. Object-oriented programming simplifies the process of programming and program debugging. In Java, everything in the world is seen as an
way to let me down slowly. A little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down, let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly.
Discuss the various concepts of object-oriented programming. Consider an analogy. A vehicle has various properties such as color, model, gears, etc. It also has certain behaviors such as start, stop, speed, etc. You can differentiate one vehicle from another with the help of these properties. Since different vehicles such as cars, bikes, and trucks have these properties and behaviors, they can be defined under the vehicles group. In OOPS, a class is the blueprint from which different objects are created. Thus, a vehicle is a class creating various objects such as cars, bikes, and trucks. A class cannot be used without an object that belongs to the specific class.
You find a way to let me down slowly. A little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
For defining a class is class, class name, opening curly braces, data members, semicolon, member, methods, opening parenthesis, closing parenthesis, semicolon, closing curly braces. You can define a class as a template which has certain properties and behavior, and objects customize these properties and